हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और अब बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे चलो इंडिया की पॉलिटी के बारे में पढ़ लेते हैं। इंडिया हैज़ अ पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी विद अ क्वाज़ी फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर, मीनिंग इट combines features of both a federal and a unitary system. It's a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic where power is shared between the central government and the state governments. The president is the head of the state while the prime minister leads the government. India is independent and self-governing with a socialist economy, secularism, separation of religion and state, and a democratic system where citizens participate in the government through elections. There is a parliamentary system in India where the executive branch, the prime minister and their council of ministers, is accountable to the legislative branch, parliament. While states have their own powers and governments, the central government has significant authority, especially in matters like defense and foreign policy. The government is divided into three branches: the executive, led by the Prime Minister, the legislative, Parliament, and the judiciary, Supreme Court, and other courts. These branches have a system of checks and balances to prevent any one branch from becoming too powerful. All citizens over the age of 18 have the right to vote. India has a vibrant multi-party political system with various parties becoming or competing for power. The Indian Parliament has two chambers: the Lok Sabha, House of the People, directly elected by the people, and the Rajya Sabha, Council of States, which represents the states. India has a unified single judiciary with the Supreme Court at the apex and subordinate courts in the bottom. तो आज हमने इंडिया की पॉलिटी के बारे में पढ़ा, जो कि एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, और अगर आप इसे बार बार सुनेंगे तो आपको ये बाय हार्ट लर्न हो जाएगा। तो कीप स्टडिंग, ऑल द बेस्ट।